Hello everyone, my name is Sadaf and I welcome you all to Women Influencers Talk Show. Through this show, we are going to give you a sneak peek into the incredible lives of these women entrepreneurs who, through their grit and determination, have come a long way, both professionally and personally. Today we have with us someone who is young, vivacious and full of dreams. She started her designer label in 2016 and within a span of 4 years, she has come a long way. Not only establishing trust among her clients, but also through her keen eye for detailing and designing, she has won many awards. I am proud to present Tuhina Mehrotra. Tuhina, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for such a sweet introduction, Sadaf. I'm really glad to be a part of this today.
Tuhina, tell us about yourself.
Okay, so to begin with, I'll tell you I'm a fashion designer by profession. It has always been my passion. I started my label in 2016. Since then, I got a few magazine features in magazines like Cosmopolitan, Brides, and a few more. I received a few awards like the Most Promising Fashion Designer in 2017, Excellence in Fashion Design. This one I received by Bollywood actress Miss Mahima Chaudhary. I started with one label in Gurgaon. Now I also have my outfits displayed in New Delhi. So overall, I'd say it has been quite a very happening journey.
So Tuhina, how do you handle life and work responsibilities together?
See, of course, it's very important, to balance your work and your professional life. But I've always been really lucky that ways. My family has really always supported me, so I haven't had a problem in balancing the
Okay. So women in your profession, do you think they get a hard time in getting promoted and recognized?
Frankly, I wouldn't say women specifically have a very hard time in this profession, but instead upcoming and budding designers like us, they face a lot more difficulties because people have a mindset, they prefer investing any amount of money in established designers' outfits. Tomorrow, if somebody comes visits my stores, they would be hesitant in spending beyond a limit, right? So that's the issue that upcoming designers face. Specifically, women are not facing any such issue.
So as a woman, what has been the most significant barrier in your career?
So, see, as you know, it's a startup, right? There are ups and downs in every startup. There are challenges, there are barriers every day. But I haven't really faced any women-specific barriers. It's just everyday problems, situations which any man or woman would face.
So who inspired you and why do you think that person inspired you?
I'd say my parents have been my biggest inspiration. They've always taught me, to listen to everybody's opinion, but just follow what my heart says. And I think that's really something that keeps me going every single day.
So tell me Tuhina, right now at this very moment, what do you want most in life and what are you going to do about it?
See, honestly, considering the situation right now, the problems that we are facing because of the lockdown, this virus, COVID-19 and everything, all I really want right now is all of us to be safe, my family to be safe. And what can I do about it? See, nothing. I can just be at home. I can request everybody out there to be at home, be safe, and we can just hope and pray for the best.
That's right. One has to be very, very careful in these days and also very optimistic too. But tell me something, how do you handle challenges and stress in your life?
Frankly, every business has challenges. In fact, you face challenges every single day. There's something new every day that comes up. But the good part for me is challenges are, not really stressful for me. It's like a fun element that's there for work. So I just try to, bring out the most and the best positive solutions for the problems. But yes, I don't take stress over them.
Although there is so much equality around, but tell me something, Tuhina. Do you experience resistance when you're leading men or you're working with men?
No. Thankfully, I really haven't faced that yet.
What advice would you give to other women who are entering this male dominated profession?
I'd actually like to tell them, firstly to be very confident, because it's because of their talent and their work that they're there. It's not because of being a woman or a man that they're able to stand where they are. And they should really not be afraid of people around and have self belief, and then you can do wonders for yourself and for the people around you.
That's a great tip. So, what do you love about yourself?
What I love about myself the most, I'd say probably everything, but okay, jokes apart, what I really like about myself is that I'm not afraid of hard work.
What matters to you most at this moment?
Like I said previously, safety of my family, safety of everybody out there is just something that I really want right now.
So, Tuhina, tell me, what motivates you personally?
I'd say the pride and the happiness that I see in my parents' eyes every time I achieve something, that's really something that motivates me to do my best.
This talk has been super enriching. Thank you, Tuhina. But before you go, I would like to ask you, what are your thoughts about this initiative, the Women Influencers Group? What do you have to say about us?
I'd say it's an amazing platform. It's like a really good way to promote all the women who've achieved so much in their lives, and it's a great initiative.
Well, Tuhina, thank you so much for coming on our show. Your thoughts and views are truly inspiring, not only for others, but for me too. So all you beautiful people, I'm sure you would have loved the content of this talk show. And if you want somebody to be featured here, you know the drill. Just comment below and let us know. Till we meet again with another woman influencer, it's time to say goodbye. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.